Hi everyone, this is Shannon again. I am here to show you how to make a magic ring. It's for when you are making hats or anything else that you need to work in a round. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take my yarn, and I have my needle right here, and I'm going to take my two fingers on my left hand. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to take the two fingers on my right hand and I'm going to wrap this around. I'm going to hold it there. You see that? Okay. And then when I go to wrap this other second piece around, I'm going to cross it, crisscross. And if you see, there you go. So then my fingers end up looking like that. So then I'm going to take my needle and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go underneath the first piece of yarn. And then I'm going to go under. What I'm going to do actually, see how I have that laying on top of that second piece of yarn there? I'm going to turn it because you see my hook on the end there? I'm going to want to use that hook. So I'm going to turn it so the hook is going to grab that. So then I'm going to pull right underneath that other one. And then when I have it right there, I'm going to twist. Okay, so that's what you're going to have right there. So I'm going to take my finger, my index finger and my thumb, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pinch this right here at the end. Okay, and let go. So what I need to do, since I have this pinched right here, I'm going to take my yarn and I am going to do a chain. Just do a regular stitch, a regular chain, one chain. So what that does is, if you could see it now, I have this right here, and if I flip it, you could see like this. So say for instance, I've started hats before, and it's easier to start them like this. What I'm going to do is, some of them will call for, now that I have this, it'll call for, say for instance, 12 double crochets. Okay, so we've done this magic ring, so we're going to do 12 double crochets. Well, actually, the one that I use is 11, so let's do 11. So we'll do our double crochets. And while you're doing this, you just got to make sure that all this stays together. If this gets loose, then you can always pull this to make it tighter, easier to work with. So there's one. Oops. Two. There's three. And you see what I'm doing right here is I am working all of my double crochets inside this ring here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's just for an example, so it doesn't really matter. We'll just do a couple more and I'll show you why this is such a great way to start something, a project where you are going to work in the rounds like a hat. It just makes it so much easier. So I'm going to do one more. You see how my circle is getting a little bit tighter, so I just got to be careful. So here we go. This will be our last double crochet. So what I'm going to do is, say for instance, I'm starting a hat and I have my magic ring. The great thing about this is, what you're going to do is, we're going to go ahead and take this piece right here of yarn, feed it back through the other side, and you're going to take it and you're going to pull it. Hold on to this side with these fingers, but you're going to pull this and you're going to watch as it closes up. So do you see how it closed up? So now all I have to do is go ahead and use a slip stitch to go ahead and connect these two sides. And then I have my circle. So then I'm just going to go ahead over here. I'm going to slip stitch. Pull it tight. And then normally going to start whatever you're going to start. But if you see, I did it kind of quick and it's not real tight here, but so you see, and then you just start working it around. You can make a hat. You can make all different things with that. So I hope you could see that good. But anyways, if you have any questions or if that was hard to understand, I was hoping I did that simple enough for you. You can leave some questions down below and in the comment section, and I will go ahead and respond to you. Also, if there's any other videos that you would like, any tutorials on any other stitches, let me know, and I will definitely do that for you. So thank you very much.